Yo, what up? What up? It's the absolute pinnacle of unpredictability with some insane level of intensity of insanity. So today I'm sick. Well, obviously I'm sick. AK's sick. But today I'm really sick. But I'm still here. I ain't stopping. I'm going pulverize this challenge. So let's get Leetcode. 234 is the problem that I'll be doing today. It's called palindromic linked list, I guess. Gemini suggested me to do this question, so let's just dive into it. So 234 was the problem, I guess, right? 234. Yeah, so it is considered an easy problem. First of all, let me check my voice and all. Pulverize this challenge. So let's go. Okay, it's all okay. Let's go then. Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's go. Given the head of the single link is return true if it is valid or false otherwise. Okay. So according to this, okay, is this a two-pointer and linked list? Stack recursion. How did he use stack and recursion? Wait. So what I'm thinking is creating a new list after the half and reversing the first linked list. This is what I'm thinking. But again, this is going to be very lengthy and at the same time can have multiple time complexity issues. But let's think about it. He said recursion and stacks. Well, then I suppose. Okay, let's do what I can do, what I'm good at, which is making new linked list, right? So list node star curl is equal to head int of x, not x actually, n is equal to 0, int of n is equal to 0, and then so I also have to think again, right? So while curl not equal to null pointer, we will have n plus plus and curl is equal to curl next, and then what we do? Now I've got the length. Okay, so how do we do this? This is how we do. Well, it must be even first of all, right? It must be even. How do we do this? Well, my main problem right now is that can it be? No, the nodes should and must be even. This is something for sure. So let's just do this then. Because they are even, I need to divide them into half. So dividing them into half, what does it mean? I want to reach till 2. 4 is my length right now, and I start from 1. So while 1 is less than equal to 2, which means n by 2, I will do next. Yeah, right. So while, well, actually I I should do n by 2 minus 1 for int I is equal to 1, I less than n divided by 2 minus 1, and then I see I plus, and after all this cur is equal to cur next. So now I will store curs next, which will be list node head 1 is equal to cur next. It is stored now. I have the linked list, second linked list now, and then curs next is equal to null pointer. Now I have these two linked list. Now what I have to do is reverse one of these. I have to reverse one of these. So which one are we reversing? I think we should reverse the one with the head. So to reverse that, we need more pointers. List node star prev is equal to null pointer, right? And then one for the cur one and one for the next. This one for the next, this one for the cur one. Well, the cur is now null pointer, so I have to update this one too. So cur is equal to head again, and now cur one is equal to head again, because if it is equal to head, now I need to while cur not equal to null pointer, when cur is not equal to null pointer, we gotta do this. Oh shit. While cur is not equal to null pointer, curs next is equal to, next is equal to curs next, right? Next, ouch 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 ouch, मेरा पैर, to curs next, ouch मेरा पैर यार, ouch. एक सेकंड रुकना. How's this? Okay, so yeah, damn. Next is equal to curs next, and curs next is equal to previous, then next is equal to cur is equal to next, and prev is equal to cur is equal to cur, and cur is equal to next. Yeah, this is how it goes. So prev is equal to cur, and then cur is equal to next. Just a second. Okay, now it's okay. Well, my mic was muted, right? It better be. My mic better be muted. Now it's okay, I guess. Well, damn. And after this, head is equal to prev, and because now head is equal to previous, I've got what I need. Oh, I just forgot about it. Okay, now it's okay. So head is equal to prev. So while cur not equal to null pointer, not cur exactly, let's just say while head not equal to null pointer, because at the same time these have same lengths, and head 1, even though no need for this null pointer, I'll check it. If head is not equal to head 1, return false, right? Else, no else needed, right? Return false, that's it. Head is equal to head next. The same applies for head 1, I guess. So head 1 is equal to head 1 not next, and at last return false. Well, return true, because it just means that everything was true, right? Should work. Okay, no, it shouldn't work. No semicolons. Plus this node is problematic. Okay, where did I make this mistake, by the way? List node. Okay, node. Should work this time, I guess. No syntactical errors. Well, okay, not equal to, right? A lot of syntactical errors I see. Now I'll see a index type of problem. Yeah, and from where am I getting this? Well, okay, well, so how do I do this? Oh, I have to see the val, right? Val, and again val. I think it's okay now. Okay, so null pointer error is still there. While cur is not equal to null pointer, well, I did specify cur is equal to head, right? So cur is equal to head, yeah. Cur 1 is equal to head. What exactly is head right now? Cur next. Well, yeah, and cur 1 next not equal to null pointer okay, one not true. Okay, here it should have been true, it's false. Well, I just said the opposite thing, but anyways, so head's val is not equal to head 1's val. What exactly is head 1? It is cur's next, and cur's next is now null pointer. Head 1 starts its journey. Well, where did I go wrong? I'm facing a headache. I feel headache, man. Well, please just tell me where was I wrong. I see. Well, then I guess if cur 1, if head next is equal to null pointer, if head val is not equal to head 1 val, return false. Well, what would happen here? Let's see. How did this happen? If heads next is null pointer, heads next is not null pointer, man. What I do, but if I do this, well, this is obviously wrong. What am I even doing? Yeah. Okay, man, I'm not feeling well, but I have to do this, right? But let me switch the question. Let me ask it from some other topic. I have to do one question, right? I can't break this challenge no matter how sick I'm feeling, right? Let's ask Gemini for another question. Oh, sorry. If I click on the Chrome, the screen disappears. I will do this tomorrow maybe then. But now I want a question from some other topic. I've been doing linked list from 3 days, I guess. I need to switch to trees, I guess. Binary search is there. I love binary search. Okay, it says 1512. 1512, man, the headache is incredible. I feel like side up most of the times. Given an array of integers nums, return the number of good players. It's called good players. Called good if nums of I is equal to nums of j and I is less than j. Okay, this is pretty easy. Let's just solve this one and go home. Okay, so it is equal to 0 right now, because if it's equal to 0, for int of I is equal to 0, well, this I'll just do this in n square. Yeah, this is just an n square solution. Pretty easy, I guess. What is there? Mid-level array, hash table, math counting. What the hell? This was in a weekly contest, by the way. Which weekly contest was this in? I'll soon give weekly contest too. I'll soon be giving one weekly contest to num size I plus plus. So now for int of j is equal to I plus 1 j dot okay, so here right here minus 1 and here nums dot size and then a j plus plus. So if nums of I is equal to nums of j x plus plus, out of the if, out of the for, and here I'll return x and I'll go home. Oh my god, my headache. This must be true, right? This must be correct. Yeah, this was an easy one. This was an easy one for sure, and 100% beats. Well, this was an n square solution. What else do you expect? So yeah, C++ high entropy solution done. This is it for the stream, I guess. Right, this is it for the stream. Well, yeah, I guess this is it for the stream. Bye bye everyone, see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow is also on a hectic day. Friday, Saturday, Sunday 3 दिन की छुट्टी रहेगी. I'll be doing something there, I feel. Today I'm tired, I'm sick. Get well soon, AK. Let me say this to my own self. So yeah, it's time. Maybe I'll come for Pokemon, maybe not. I don't know. Bye bye.